also just a girl standing in front of a boy, asking for love.
Everything I never knew I always wanted. I'm not even sure what that means exactly, but I think it has something to do with the rest of my life.
Hello, hello.
I ain't never been
Hang on.
one to tell you what to do. Now I had to change your heart and now I know the truth. Yeah, you see the boy from a distance, ayy. See the boy so just glisten, ayy. Yeah, whoever got it,
It
just
works!
listen, ayy.
Let's
Whoever
go.
got it, just you feeling the vibe. You
Hey,
feeling the
oh my
vibe.
god, Bunny! Oh my god,
Two more
hello,
with the
hello, hello.
guys.
Thank you
The
for
spirit
coming. It's
arises.
okay. How you doing?
Yeah, you see the way you shine. Stay connected to the vine.
Wait, you never
Stay
followed me before?
connected to
That's
the
great.
vine. We in the prime.
Ain't no way.
Yeah, the boy been flow.
Welcome, Bunny. ¿Cómo
How
estás?
about you? Yeah, how
¿Cómo va
about you? Yeah,
todo?
the boy stay true. Yeah, how about you? Yeah, how
It is,
about
right?
you? Yeah, the boy been flow.
You play this
How
game?
about you? Yeah, how
You
about
should.
you? Yeah, the boy stay true.
Wait,
Yeah, how
where's the
about you?
audio?
How about you? Yeah. Yeah, the boy been through, yeah, the boy
I'm going to
been
play
through.
some Marvel Rivals today. I haven't done this on stream. I've
I'm
tried.
just
It
hoping
never
that you
worked.
feel
This
it.
time it is, so.
It's a
Yeah.
real.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta say like the goal. Hey, predestined for a new
Really? You created an account right now? That's
Hey, so
great.
the way you take shots like
That's
Kobe. Hey,
great.
one day they gon' put me on though. Hey, I'm a Celtics like Rondo. Hey, I ain't worried about a crib or a condo. Hey,
Okay.
I'm too
What
worried
we got
about how the
doing?
song go. Hey, so I do it from
Oh
across
no,
the
it's okay.
miles.
I gotta
Shout
go.
out to homie B.
There we go. Gotta be a tank brain.
With the combo. Hey, tryna be another saint like Pablo. Making a move.
Wow, it's been a long time. How have you been? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien.
30
We
seconds
haven't
before you
gamed
attack.
in a
Get
long
ready.
ass time. It's crazy.
I don't usually team up with criminals scum like you, Lolo. Now, Monsieur the Punisher. I may be a thief, but I also have a future. Yeah.
What? You lying? Cause we haven't played Rocket League in a long time. I think it's been a year or two or something.
4, 3, 2, 1. All you
You
need to
play
do
this
is
game?
capture the mission area. Got it?
You play games at all nowadays? I don't think you do.
Here come the bad guys.
I need my heals to talk to me. Oh no. Oh my god, he's fucking You have a PS Vita? Wow, okay. What are you playing? Take this hammer. Eat my hammer. Take my frog. Oh. I'm sorry, you cute shark. I know,
My vigor returns.
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
Come on over, come on over. Join the party, guys. You thought. Oh my god. Okay, of course he swallows me. Oh, you're out of the game. Anymore? That's crazy. Oh, it's crazy. No, I'm dead. What am I doing? Not bad.
Judge, jury, executioner! The lightning of Asgard returns.
You're bad with playing
God of
keyboard?
Thunder!
Keyboard and mouse? That's crazy. Oh, you are on a controller. I remember.
The God of Thunder! Before Asgard's lightning!
Oh my god. Is this all? Come on. Get out. Oh, fuck. Well, typical tank brain, right? Oh my god. Come on, I gotta.
I am Thor Odinson, God of Thunder!
Oh yes, good. One.
Also just a girl.
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Guys, don't be AFK like I do. Okay? Don't. Are you playing the game being an artist? That's awesome. Yeah, you are. I've seen your photos. You look amazing. Your films, yeah. Your cinematography, basically. That looks great. Oh, where's my team? Listen. My main is fucking, what's it called? Punisher. Cool. You check my Punisher? No, I can't check.
Enjoy that a little too much. Good. So we're taking the tablet to the dragon. Got it.
I wanted to save them. I wanted to see the girl. It didn't work. That's my about got it. Okay. I've seen your glitch, your cinematography. I like it. I love it. I love the direction.
I'm doing this my way.
Us against the world!
Very
Reach the checkpoint. Keep on
What? Oh. Sorry, you're so cute, but nah, what are you doing? Take my frog. Take my frog.
another foe vanquished.
I've been addicted to this game lately. I don't know why. This is usually not my type of game, but like ever since my girlfriend is into it, like I'm sick. Please heal me. Okay, that's it. That's it. How did you not die? Bro!
I am Thor, Odinson, god of thunder.
Oh my god. He has to die. He has to die. Let's go. Let's go. Who are you shooting at? Oh god. That's cute. Yes! Yes! Fuck him up, Harley. Nah, it's getting positive. Oh. He's struggling. Yo, I feel like I'm TikTok brain right now. Hello? Hey, Alex! Oh my god. Buena! Oh my god, it's been such a long time. How have you been?
Battle can continue
Holy
without
shit.
Thor.
Yo, I haven't seen y'all in a long ass time. How did y'all even see my notification? Like, wow. Thanks for being here. Ow, 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 ow.
The god of thunder.
Daddy needs help. Yeah.
Our adversaries gathered.
Pocket.
The god of thunder.
I'm not gonna get anybody up. Let's go. Nice. Let's go! Woo! They're coming back. Oh, come on. Okay. I'll turn on the music. Hold on. Oh, the game audio. Okay. Got it. Game audio is out. Turn on the music now. I think that's better, right? I hope this is better, right? Oh, okay. The music is... Yes, the music is... It was double. Got it. How's it sound now? ¿Y ahora? ¿Y ahora? ¿Todo bien? Thanks, guys. Let's go. Not too bad. Better? Nice. Thanks. Okay. Just a sec, guys. I'm sorry. That's crazy. Hey, what? Let's do another match and we'll see from there. Hunter! Oh my god, hello. Welcome, Hunter. Lovely to see you. Thank you, sir. It's an honor that you're here. Wait, you know Alex? Funny, you know Alex? That's great. I don't think you do.
To win this one.
I'm sure you remember him from way back. He also used to be in the streams all the time. No, they took my Punisher. As always. Let me take that. Okay. Try to show them we're the best healer in the fucking world. Yes, we should play together. You and him for sure. You know he speaks Spanish too, right? I don't know if he played Rock with me. I'm not sure. Alex, you play Rock? I'm not ready for it. Nice place you got here.
30 seconds before
I'm
you
gonna lay on the
attack.
floor.
Get ready.
Sure, go ahead. Be all over the floor. Yo, thanks. I'm glad you're here. I'm surprised you didn't stream today. But then again, I have to type.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3.
I can finally stream this game. Like I've been trying, and it never worked.
You need to stop that vehicle in its
So
tracks.
happy it works now. Oh no, he's not over there. Come here, boy. Come here. Come here, boy. Oh no. Oh my god. What a fuck. Ain't no ways. This man is cringe, bro. Pushing the healers, you're so cringe. I mean, that's your job, so. Oh no, bro. Can I get some? No, no, don't like me. Oh, fuck. Oh! Oh, fuck. Come on, man. I'm like, nerve, pain, and stream tomorrow. Wait! Oh! Oh, yes, I forgot you're in pain. Oh my god. How you doing? Oh my god. And it's cold, so that doesn't make it better. It's cold only makes it worse. I feel things. I hope you feel better soon. Oh. Oh. Get off me! Ah! Mother! Oh, they're dead. Oh, okay. Am I gonna swallow people? Nah, bro. Solo ult? Well, yeah. Not good, but at least it's not gonna work. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Of course. But is it getting better though? Hmm? Hey. What's the matter? Whatever it takes. Especially if it's still working, like maybe we should take some days off. Oh wait, what am I saying? The company will crush without you. I know. Oh no. It's not getting better? That's oh my god. Aw. That sounds awful. Wait, he never played Russian? Is that what he's doing? I used to know Spanish once. In a past life, I used to know Spanish. Guys, please don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Okay, he's shooting me. Oh, kill her. Kill her. He doesn't die? That's not good. Ah! You gotta hide. No. Girl, don't die. Come. Oh no, he's bugged. Let it go in the corner. Oh. Okay. Okay. I saw. Oh, I saw nobody. Oh, I did. There's nowhere I can stay. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. That's the first thing I do. Wait, what? Oh, hi! Oh my god! Prendita's here. Oh. Okay. And you sub? Wow. Guys. Pinch me! This is not happening. Just kidding. Don't touch me. She doesn't do that. She doesn't. Oh! No. Okay, well, I'm dead. Quick! Please give me 10k heals. No, I didn't. Ooh, I suck. Okay. He Hunter, he you. Starting waiting? Oh, hold on. Okay. Let me switch. I gotta tell him though. Hold on. Oh, my Discord isn't even open. No wonder. Okay. Well, Alex meets Space Cowboy. Y'all both speak Spanish. I think y'all could get along real good. And we should play Rocket League together sometime. Yeah, I know. Johnny Wedding? Okay. Oh. I thought he was busy. Hold on. Oh, this thing is on stream mode. I hate that. Flaming! Oh my god, the music sounds good. Oh my. Mm. 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 Yeah. He'll be here to support me. Oh, that's nice. I appreciate you. It's okay. I know we all have lives right now, and you know, we got our shit to do. I told John I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. He knows what's up. BRB, guys. BRB, and I'll play Hunt. I'm switching over. Here we. I can't. What?
Hello there. Yeah, I couldn't reply back. I'm in the middle of the game. No, I'm playing bounty. Need the monies. I don't care. Brent just messaged me, but I can't reply back to her right now. I don't know what she said. That's the way I look at it. Oh no. Why does it matter? I'm playing against new people. These guys are very passive.
Still pulling up in the hood just to check on my neighbor, old lady Miss Tammy. Yeah, she told me that she wanna see me front row, give me an award at the Grammy. I love you. My auntie read a beat counts and I love her to death. You
Oh yeah.
I love knocking shit out the park like Sammy. Yeah, macho man bitch call me Randy.
I have no idea what his name is.
Like candy. At the boat with my grandmother Fanny. I wish I could have met my granddaddy. Rollers on my mother and my daddy. I'm good as long as they happy. I'm expensive designers, I'm taxed over 20 racks on a Louis V jacket. You ain't never seen another nigga like me. Nah, not another nigga like me. Told her you ain't never seen another nigga like me. Not another nigga like me.
I'm trying to switch up games, guys. I'm gonna play Hunt now. The game that I actually main now. I'm addicted to it. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Yeah, I got so much shit open. Let me post it.
There's another team north.
Hunt Showdown? You don't know that? I'll show you. Hold on. This game open? Why is this taking forever? Holy. Probably not. Don't connect now.
Why are people hiding like this?
There we go. This music way down low like this. A little bit like this. Just enough so I can hear and I can, you know, play Habbo Hotel. What is that? Interesting. What is that? I'm gonna look that up on Steam. Yeah, y'all should tell me about some games that I could try out.
Dude, what a dumbass
Don't do
game.
it. That's it. Oh shit, not connecting. Fuck.
Why are we playing like this? Like, are these like
It was an
three-stars
online
or something?
server. Oh. Oh really? Am I gonna find some shady shit? Some weird shit that I don't want to see? This one like 20 years ago? Damn. I never heard about that game before, so. Okay, why is my thing not showing up? I can see it on stream, but I cannot see it on my actual monitor, so I have to restart it. This is fucking. This is going amazing, guys. Don't worry. Some patience with. Let me start it up again.
It's going through their head.
Maybe I should stream what Johnny.
I'm getting pushed. There's two over
Yes,
here.
yes. Let's do that. I can't even find that one. That's so crazy. Let me let this go. Ew, I'm not connecting. Wow, what a surprise. Huh. I wish I could stream what Johnny's playing. Then I'm not. Let's see if I got a 300. Okay, let's do a clash. Clash. Good. For warm up. Only for warm up purpose. Do that. I'm taking all the hives. That's my name. You know why? ¿Sabes por qué? Because I suck. Okay, so I stream for the sole purpose of showing people how not to play this game. Okay. But let me change my. No, but really, this game is so hard. I wish you could get into it so we can play as well. I got some other friends that play it, so I think you would enjoy it. But it's not easy. It's not easy at all. I have like about 1,000 hours, 1000 horas in this game, and I'm still like struggling. It's pretty hard, but I love it. It's addictive,
right
and I have a lot of fun. So that's why I keep playing. I'm so addicted.
skip circus. the
Camp
last
so
time.
hot, motherfuckers wanna find me. Hey,
Yep.
DK Juan. What the hell?
He's got a martini. Why are people playing like this? So boring. Right on my body.
No, I wasn't playing with that. I was playing Marvel Rivals. He don't play that game. I wish he did.
He's on
I
fire.
really wish he did. Should I learn as much as I can watching me? Oh no. Oh, right. How not to play the game. You're right. Yes. Watch and learn, boys. Yes. Yes. I'm send this up because gotta bring out the big guns. Bring in the big guns. Turn on my hacks. Not really. I wish. I'm bringing out my gaming mousepad. Use a different mousepad when I'm gaming. Oh, flashbang!
Dude, is this how people are gonna play anymore? Just ratting? Jesus Christ.
Hell.
One of this game's dead.
Fuck, did he die? Oh no. Oh. Okay, so Hunt Showdown is a shooter, okay? Okay, Bunny? Kind of difficult, but it's fun, okay?
Burn all these
Once you get the
guys.
hang of it. You should join. You should. Over here. Ah! You run slow though, and that's what I hate about it compared to Apex, but it's all good. Once you get used to it, die.
9 keyboards.
Oh! Someone's out back. Oh, ain't no way he's fucking wall back.
Burn him!
Oh, wait, is that our teammate?
Yeah, boy.
Nice, you got him?
Melee shit out of here.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. That man was chasing me, I hate that.
Yeah, come.
Did I not tag this man in the chest? Not in the heart, but in the chest. Pretty sure I did. Wow, Johnny actually lasted longer than I did. Wow, I'm proud of him. So proud. Wow. That should be fun, you go. The game just started. I'm already angry. I'm not. I swear. Yeah.
That's a good
What's
trap.
that? NT.
I gotta be playing.
Yeah, my
with,
bad. Sorry, it was a
some
shorty.
players
Thought
or
I could kill.
something.
Oh, wait. Oh, you're all dead. Good. I'm not hating. I love this. It's look, it's a love-hate relationship, okay? I love it, but I hate it, but I love it. You know? I play it every day. Almost.
It's pitcher.
I wish I could see Johnny play. It's still loading in. Hold on. No. Never change funny? Miss those like hating people just because. Oh, so you secretly did as well. I see. Mm-hmm. I knew it. I knew it. Oh, ain't no way I gotta fill all of it. That's crazy. Guilty? Of course. Of course. Let me do another clash. Let's see. How far along is he? Crash clash. Guys, I had a rough day yesterday. I don't even want to talk about it, but I'm doing way better today. Stop it. What is this? Oh my god, these names. Okay. Okay. What? Okay, are they gonna leave?
GG's.
No, I can't. My bad, guys. Ooh. My bad. Oh. So bad now. Love me some Coke. Okay. Oh.
Long game.
It was. Kind of loud again. Oh, not
6
bad.
stars, but it just seemed like it was just boring.
Yeah.
Everyone was hiding in shrubs.
Yep, I saw a little bit of it. In a way. Look at you
Long game.
with them 10 stars in your team. Damn. Okay. Well, send me an invite. You ready? Guys, I'm gonna. Oh shit.
You sent me an invite.
Oh. Ow! Ew! Ew! Oh no, that's the wrong person! Oh my god. You shouldn't have had a question mark. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the stream because I don't know. This wasn't planned, you know? And I didn't, you know, yeah. Thank you for dropping by, everyone who has come through. I appreciate y'all. Alex, Bunny, Hunter, Brendita. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'll catch you guys next time. Maybe tomorrow, maybe another day. We'll see. We'll see. Right. But thank you for coming. I love you. I love you.
Let me
Bye-bye.
save this drilling